Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bose Radio Remote is probably one of the most sought-after replacement parts for Bose audio systems, ensuring you can continue enjoying your favorite radio stations with ease. Finding a reliable replacement can be tricky, so we've done the research to identify top-performing options that offer seamless functionality, durability, and a user-friendly experience, helping you get back to enjoying your Bose radio without any hassle. Number 5. Bose Wave Radio Remote. It's a universal remote, designed to work with your Bose Wave music system. It supports the first, second, third, and fourth generations. Enjoy reliable control from a distance. You can operate it from up to 10 meters away. Please remember, it is not compatible with the Bose Acoustic Wave music system. It's made of lightweight ABS plastic and connects to your system automatically. No programming is needed. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, we'll respond within 2 hours on weekdays. Get yours today and experience the convenience of seamless control for your Bose Wave music system. Batteries are not included. What we like. This remote is compatible with multiple Bose Wave generations. It's built to last and boasts an impressive range of over 10 meters, ensuring reliable control from anywhere in your living room. If you need a versatile, long-lasting replacement for your Bose system, this is the one for you. What people say. They have seamlessly replaced my old, worn-out remotes for my Roku 1 and Roku 3, bringing new life to my streaming experience. The design of these remotes is nearly identical to the original Roku remotes, making them easy to use and intuitive. The buttons are responsive, and the layout is user-friendly, allowing for quick navigation through menus and streaming options. The signal range is excellent, allowing me to control my Roku devices from a distance without any lag or delay. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, ensuring they will last for a long time with regular use. Number 4. Bose Wave Remote Replacement. This is a replacement remote for select Bose Wave music systems. It offers the same functionality as the original, without the original price tag. No complicated setup is needed, just insert batteries and start using it. It's designed for simple, intuitive operation. If it doesn't work right away, try resetting your Bose system and the remote. Unplug the Bose system, hold the power button, and then try again. This remote is compatible with Bose Wave Music System AWRCC1 and AWRCC2. Please check your model number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. This remote is not compatible with several other Bose models, including the AWRC-1G, AWRC-1P, and CD-3000. Double-check your original remote to confirm compatibility. Get your music playing again with this brand new replacement remote. It's a cost-effective solution to keep your Bose system working perfectly. What we like. It's a brand new remote that functions just like the original, without any complicated setup. Troubleshooting tips are included to help resolve any initial issues. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The new remote control works great. Looks exactly like the original remote. Installed the battery and it worked instantly, exactly as the original, without any pairing or other setup. It works perfectly on my Bose radio. Number 3. Bose Wave Remote. This is the perfect replacement remote for your Bose Wave SoundTouch music system. It's brand new and high quality, ensuring seamless control. It works perfectly with Bose Wave SoundTouch systems 1, 2, 3, and 4. No setup is required, just insert batteries and you're ready to go. Experience incredibly fast response times, less than 0.2 seconds. It offers reliable control from up to 10 meters away. This remote is built to last, with a lifespan exceeding 10,000 clicks. It's designed to perform just like your original. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. Please note that this remote is not compatible with the Acoustic Wave music system. Make sure to check your system model before purchasing. What we like. This high-quality replacement offers incredibly fast response times and a reliable control distance. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. If you prioritize speed, reliability, and a guarantee, this remote is for you. What people say. This was advertised as covering many models. It works fine. My 14-year-old Bose Wave Radio Remote became unworkable. I found this and it's as good as the original. This remote is exactly the same as my original Bose remote, which got misplaced, except for the brand name on the top corner. Number 2. OMAIC Bose Wave Remote. It's compatible with various Bose Wave and SoundTouch systems, including generations I through V and the 5-disc CD player. Enjoy seamless control over your Bose audio experience. Control your Bose device from up to 10 meters away. It's designed for reliable and convenient operation, no matter where you are in the room. Please remember it is not compatible with the acoustic wave music system. Double-check your system model before purchasing. Made with durable ABS material, it requires no programming. Just insert batteries, and it's ready to use. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold. We offer an unlimited return and refund service within 45 days of purchase. Contact us directly with any questions. We aim to respond within 2 hours on weekdays. This remote connects to your Bose device instantly upon battery installation. No complicated setup is required. What we like. This remote is compatible with various Bose Wave and SoundTouch systems. It offers a long control range and comes with exceptional customer service. If you want a hassle-free experience with excellent support, this is the ideal option. What people say. The OMAIC replacement remote control works great. Will probably outlive the Bose unit itself as it has begun to occasionally fail to work. Once I've inserted the battery, replacement remote synced automatically. All buttons worked. All the functions of the remote working perfectly with Bose Wave System 3. Number 1. Bose Wave SoundTouch Remote. This is a replacement remote for your Bose Wave SoundTouch music system. It's brand new and functions exactly like the original, without any programming needed. It works perfectly with your Bose Wave SoundTouch system, regardless of generation, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy effortless control of your music. This universal remote provides all the functionality of the original. Change the volume, select your music, and more, all with ease. No complicated setup or pairing is required. Just insert the batteries and start enjoying your music. It's compatible with various Bose systems, including the Wave Music Radio system and the Digital Music system. One remote to control it all. While not an original Bose remote, it offers the same functionality and reliability. Enjoy your music with peace of mind. What we like. This universal remote works seamlessly with a wide range of Bose systems, including the Wave and SoundTouch lines. It requires no programming, making setup a breeze. If you own multiple Bose devices and want a simple solution, this is the remote for you. What people say. Works right out of the box. Controls Bose radio perfectly. Worked right out of the packaging, no programming needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.